Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Ever seen that frustrating error code 524 pop up while playing Battlefront 2 on your Xbox? It's a common issue that often signals a network problem, stopping you from jumping into your favorite galaxy far, far away. We understand how annoying that can be when you're ready for some epic battles. Fortunately, most fixes are pretty simple and quick, getting you back to the action in no time at all. The very first thing to try when you hit error 524 is the classic restart. Power down your Xbox completely, unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and boot it up again. This gives your console a fresh start, often resolving many transient issues. Don't forget to also fully close and reopen Battlefront 2 itself. Sometimes that's all it takes to fix a stubborn connection problem. Sometimes the problem lies within your console's temporary data. Clearing your Xbox's cache is a great troubleshooting step for many errors, including 524. Simply power cycle your Xbox by unplugging it for at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in. If the error persists after that, a full reinstall of Battlefront 2 might be your best bet. It ensures all game files are fresh and uncorrupted. The 524 error is often network-related, so let's refresh your home internet connection. Unplug your internet router and modem from power, wait about 1 full minute, then plug them back in. This gives your network devices a complete reboot. While you wait for them to reconnect, also check your Xbox network settings to make sure your NAT type is open. This is crucial for smooth online gaming. If you've tried all these steps and error 524 is still bothering you, a complete reinstall of Battlefront 2 might be your final at-home solution. It's a bigger step, but it often resolves deep-seated file issues. If that doesn't work, don't hesitate to reach out to official support channels. Contacting EA support or Xbox support can provide you with more specific guidance, helping you get back into the Star Wars universe for good.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.